Welcome to Upnext 227, your front row seat to the future of motorhomes in the USA. Minibus sparkles from jaw-dropping luxury RVs to never-seen-before upcoming models, we reveal it all. Don't miss out, hit subscribe and let's roll into the future together. If I told you 10 years ago that Lexus, the brand known for its silky smooth sedans and polished luxury SUVs, would step into the motorhome game and shake up the entire RV industry, you'd probably laugh it off as some futuristic dream. But here we are, staring at something that feels like it's been plucked out of a sci-fi movie and dropped onto our highways, the upcoming 2026 Lexus Motorhome. And let me tell you, this thing isn't just a motorhome. It's a moving statement. It's Lexus saying, luxury doesn't stop at your driveway. It keeps rolling with you, wherever you go. The first time I laid eyes on it, I had to blink twice just to make sure it was real. The sleek curves, the almost spaceship-like front glass, and that massive, commanding stance. It feels like Lexus took their design language, turned the dial past 10, and sculpted a rolling mansion on wheels. It's not boxy like the RVs you're used to. No, this thing flows. It's got lines that look like they're in motion even when it's parked. And those blacked-out wheels, stacked in sets that look like they belong on a futuristic concept car, just make it look mean, elegant, and powerful all at once. But here's the thing that gets me most. It's not just about looking flashy. Lexus has always had that obsession with blending performance, comfort, and craftsmanship. And now, they're applying that same DNA to the motorhome world. So, while your typical RV is about utility first and comfort second, this Lexus beast flips the script. It's designed for people who want to travel the open road without sacrificing the feel of a 5-star suite. Now let's talk about the heart of this machine. Lexus is pushing forward with its hybrid technology, and this motorhome is no exception. We're not talking about some tiny hybrid engine that saves you a few drops of fuel. We're talking about a serious hybrid powertrain built to move something this big without guzzling fuel like a thirsty giant. It's tuned not just for efficiency, but for torque and smoothness. Imagine climbing a mountain pass with almost no engine strain, or cruising down a long desert road where the hum is so quiet you forget you're driving a vehicle the size of a small apartment. That's what Lexus is going for. And the off-road capability. Oh, they didn't forget about that either. This isn't just a highway cruiser. Lexus has been testing their motorhome with adaptive suspension systems, terrain response modes, and reinforced wheel setups that let you take this beauty far beyond the paved roads. Think about it, camping on a rocky desert ridge, parking at a remote lake where normal RVs would be too scared to go. This Lexus isn't just about the journey, it's about redefining where that journey can take you. Now, I know what you're wondering, what's it like inside? Because, let's be honest, Lexus has built its reputation on interiors that feel more like private lounges than car cabins. And in this motorhome, they've dialed it up to an entirely new level. When those automatic steps fold out and you walk through the door, you're not stepping into an RV. You're stepping into a Lexus-designed living space. Picture this, ambient lighting that shifts with your mood, couches and recliners wrapped in buttery soft leather, a kitchen that looks like it belongs in a luxury penthouse, and panoramic windows that don't just let in light, they frame your view like a living painting. And upstairs, oh, yes, this thing has an upper deck. The master suite up there is stunning. Think king-size bed, soft touch walls, hidden storage, and tech that responds to your voice. Want to dim the lights? Just say it. Want the blinds to slide shut? One tap. It's Lexus luxury, just stretched out into something you can live in. The tech doesn't stop there, either. Lexus has packed the motorhome with smart integrations. We're talking massive entertainment systems, a driving cockpit that feels like a spaceship, and climate control that learns your preferences and adjusts before you even think about it. It's the kind of thoughtful luxury that makes every trip feel like it was designed just for you. And here's one of my favorite details. The roof has a mount that carries a small luxury car. Imagine pulling up to your destination, parking the motorhome, and then lowering your Lexus Coupe or SUV for those quick drives into town. It's like bringing your garage with you on the road. That, my friends, is luxury redefined. Now, let's touch on pricing, because I know a lot of people are going to ask, how much does a rolling palace like this cost? Lexus hasn't locked down the final numbers yet, but based on industry whispers, we're looking at something in the ballpark of $1.50 to $2 million. Yep, you heard that right. And honestly, it makes sense. This isn't competing with your everyday Winnebago. This is Lexus staking a claim in the ultra-luxury motorhome space. This is for the folks who see travel not as a compromise, but as an extension of their lifestyle. And when you think about it, it's not that far off from buying a yacht. Except this yacht doesn't need a marina. Your highway is the ocean. Your destinations are limitless. That's the mindset Lexus is aiming at. So how does it compare to what we've seen before? Well, Lexus hasn't done anything like this in the past. Sure, their SUVs like the LX have proven they can do rugged luxury, but this motorhome is like Lexus saying, we're not just dipping our toes into the water, we're diving in headfirst. And compared to other high-end motorhomes from brands like Prevost, Marquis Mobile, or even Newmar, Lexus is bringing a sharper, more futuristic vision. Where others look like luxury buses, Lexus looks like a rolling sculpture. And honestly, that's what's going to set it apart. You're not just buying a vehicle, you're making a statement. You're telling the world, I want my adventures to be wrapped in elegance, innovation, and a little bit of audacity. As we look toward 2026, I can't help but get excited. Because this isn't just a motorhome, it's a glimpse into the future of travel. Lexus is proving that road trips don't have to be cramped, messy, or stripped down. They can be luxurious, futuristic, and deeply personal. And the best part, they're making it real. Now, will most of us ever get to own one of these? Probably not, but that's not the point. The point is that Lexus is raising the bar. They're pushing the industry to think bigger, bolder, and smarter. And you can bet other companies are watching closely. What Lexus does now, others will follow. That means better motorhomes, better tech, and better experiences for all of us down the road. So whether you're a die-hard RV enthusiast or just someone who loves seeing the future take shape, the 2026 Lexus Motorhome is something worth watching. Because when a brand like Lexus rolls into a new world, they don't just participate. They dominate, and I don't know about you, but I can already picture it. Cruising through the Rockies, sunlight bouncing off that sleek metallic paint, stepping inside to relax in a living room that feels like a luxury loft, and knowing that no matter where I park, home is always with me. That, my friends, is the dream. Thanks for watching Upnext 227, where the future of motorhomes hits the road first. Minibus Sparkles, if you enjoyed this reveal, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the next big motorhome drop. Until next time, keep dreaming big and keep rolling forward.